Hello everyone, I'm Gloria Mendoza, your state representative from the 14th Legislative District. Washington State has an affordability crisis. We are the third most expensive state in the nation for purchasing a home. We have the third highest gas prices, the fourth highest sales tax rate, and Washington has the fourth highest cost for groceries. We have the fifth highest rent of any state. If that is not difficult enough for struggling Washington families, Democrats in Olympia are now proposing raising your taxes by $20 billion. It would be the largest tax increase ever in the history of Washington State. Let that sink in for a moment. The largest tax increase in the 139-year history of our state. The problem is not a lack of revenue. In fact, Washington State will take in nearly $5 billion more in the next budget cycle than the current one. Under Democrat leadership, our state budget has more than doubled over the past 10 years. Let me ask you, has your income doubled? To feed that spending problem, Democrats want to raise your property taxes. They want to create a new payroll tax on more than 5,000 job creators in Washington State. And they're calling it a wealth tax. Democrats in Olympia are good at playing with words, but make no mistake, this tax will be passed down to you, the consumer. A new tax on unrealized capital gains will fall on business and property owners. This so-called wealth tax means less jobs, higher cost of food and other goods, and less affordable homes. Plus, they want to raise the gas tax by 9 cents a gallon, 15 cents on diesel, and making vehicle registration more expensive. Yet, get this, Democrats are increasing your taxes while they increase spending in the budget by another $6 billion. Let me give you an example. Fathers, mothers, or caregivers, do you get to say to your spouse or kids, our budget is stretched, you have to get another job? Then you come home with a new sports car or 5 pairs of new shoes. Your family would begin to question, what is really going on here? Are we really having financial problems or are we overspending? This is exactly what Democrats are doing. They want to tax you so that they can spend your money on their agenda, while we, the taxpayer, must pinch pennies. It's not fair. If we left the budget as is with no new taxes, Washington State will take in $2 billion more in the next budget cycle than the current one. We do not need to raise your taxes. Republicans have proposed a reasonable no new taxes budget that prioritizes essential services without major cuts. Democrats are not having it. Let me be clear, as your state representative, I voted no to tax increases. I came here to represent the hardworking families in our district who are struggling to make ends meet. Many live paycheck to paycheck. I didn't come to Olympia to grow state government, and I didn't come to Olympia to represent the tax spender. I came here to represent you, the taxpayer. We don't need to ask our taxpayers for more money. We just need to prioritize spending and make the state live within its means, just like you and I have to do with our budgets. I welcome your comments. Help send a strong message to Democrats. No more tax increases. Call, write, or email my office. It's time to stand up for the taxpayers, not the tax spenders in Olympia. Thank you for watching. I'm State Representative Gloria Mendoza.